for subject physical education, code 048 for 2020-21 board exam. The question paper consists of 30 questions and all are compulsory. Question number 1 to 12 carry 1 marks each and are multiple choice questions. Question 13 to 16 carry 2 marks each and shall not exceed 40 to 60 words. Questions 17 to 26 carry 3 marks each and shall not exceed 80 to 100 words. Questions 27 to 30 carry 5 marks each and shall not exceed 150 to 200 words. Here is total marks 70. Time is 3 hours, and you can just go scroll down and down, then you can see the question numbers. These are the objective questions, and once you go slowly down, you will find answer sheet also, some called marking scheme. Marking scheme also is given below. You can see question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 listed here. You can see question number 7, they have given option or also, either any question can be attempted. You can see question number 8, question number 9, you can see question number 10 and 11. In question number 11, you can see the statement given below, and in based on assessment or statement, you can give your answer. Question number 12 is given for match the following. Is given 2 table, and you can accordingly write the code to give your answer. Question number 13 is based on pictorial answer. You can see the picture, you can give your answer. This is all about the asanas. Also based on human movement, all pictorial, what type of movement based, you can write in the fill in the blanks and give your answer. You can see a question of 15, 16, there are option given or, either of any answer can be written. Number 17 is given on BMI data. On a chart basis, you can see the answer is given below. On the pictorial, you can give your answer. You can see question number 18. This also based on value based question. It's given from the yoga. Now you can see question number 19. They have also given option here in or. You can see question number 20. 21 also there is option. Anyone you can attempt in 21, 22, you can see question number 23, 24, 25, 26 again they have given option, 27, 28 again they have given option. (29) question also they have given option, so 5 marks. Question number 30 also they have given based on value based question. It's a general question. Now you can see they have given the answer key. You can see the correct answer here. So they have given how the marks are distributed and how they have given the answer. Also answer is given and breakout of marks is given. You can see answer of question number 20 and 21. You can see in this slide they have given answer for motor fitness test, different test batteries along with the picture they have given here. Question of answer 22 also is given. They have given the points and picture to understand. Answer of question number 23, types of cognitive abilities, they have also listed down here. You can see question number 24 they have given answer in the points. 25 they have given fixture of 11 teams. Question number 26 they have given types of motivation. Question number 27 answer they have given for big 5 theory of personality. This carries 5 marks. answer of question number 28 for spinal curvature. They've given different types of deformities. Question number 29, they've given answer for different stages of a human life. Question number 30, this answer based on yoga. They've given for lifestyle diseases, hypertension and asthma, as they have asked in the question, but you need to explain about this also, not only pictorial. And you can see the last answer is given based on senior citizen fitness test by Rickley and Jones. All 6 batteries are listed here, and along with this, in this pattern you can practice for your board exam.